In this video, we are going to explore our rapid RAG chatbot development platform to showcase the retrieval augmented generation concept and how to create a chatbot using it. We will guide you through the entire process, starting with how to create and manage agents. We will also show you how to upload a documents that can be used for RAG and manage these files effectively. We will cover how to integrate RAG with the chatbot widget and explore many other functionality which are available on these platforms. Let's get started. So first we need to create a new account on the platform if we don't have one. Since we have already an account, so we will log in from here. Once we log in, we will see the dashboard displaying the number of agents we have created and the documents we have uploaded and other key details. From here we can create an agent. So let's create an agent by providing a name and description. We also need to choose between the two options. First is simple RAG, so which retrieve information only from the uploaded document, or RAG with lead generation, which also collects user details like name and email ID using the prompt. So we will go into more details on this later in this video while setting up our agent. After creating a new agent, we will see a page where we can manage our agents and chatbot configuration. Let's go through each feature one by one. The first one is manage files. From here, we can upload documents for RAG. Currently, we can upload PDF, docs and text files, and we can upload multiple files at once. So we have already uploaded Apple annual reports from 2022 and 2023. In our system, we process files by extracting text data from the documents, creating embeddings from that extracted text, and then storing those embeddings into the vector database. Second functionality is manage source URLs. We can also use RAG with the URLs, which allow us to perform Q&A using data from those URLs. We have two options. We can either manually add web pages URLs or provide a domain. If we provide a domain from here, so it will fetch the sitemap for that domain, which allowing us to select the URLs that we want to use. It also allows us to set an option for rescraping. If we want to rescrap specific URLs at a set time interval, we can configure it from here. There is also custom options available. Third functionality is add YouTube URLs. So we can use RAG on a YouTube videos by providing a video or channel link. If you provide a channel link, it can process up to 20 videos for now. The next functionality is agent testing. From here we can test an agent with the uploaded files. So we have already tested it. Similarly, like we can test the agent with the questions before proceeding further. Next functionality is modify prompt instructions. So we can change the default prompt used to get information from the documents and switch between the different models. The available models depends on the subscription and we can switch them from this drop down. The next functionality is configure text and logo. As discussed before, we can use this agent in the chatbot widget. So this section will allow us to update the name and description that will appear on the chatbot widget. The next one is the bot functionality. So we can set the bot logo and display the date and time for the agent. The next one is the bot theme. From this section, we can change the look of the bot for this agent, which will be reflected in the chatbot widget. The next one is the welcome message setup. So from this section, we can customize the first message our chatbot will send to the users. The next one is the bot chat records. Once we make the chatbot live, we can view the user chat history here. And the next one is the Telegram chat records and Slack chat records. So our platform allows us to connect the agent with other platforms like a Slack and Telegram. Once we connected, you can view the chat records directly in this respective channel. To use the chatbot on our website, we need to enable the Go Live functionality. But before that, ensure all the files are activated from the Manage File sections. Over here, all the files are already on a live mode. Set the agent to the live mode so user can begin interacting with it. Once we go live, we will receive a script. So simply copy and paste this script to the site. And then you will be ready to start using the chatbot. Let's move to the All Agents page. On this page, we can view a list of all the agents we have created along with the number of files and URLs for each agent as well as the other key details. We can choose the agent type from here, either simple or a lead generation. By default, it is set to simple, but if we check this box, it enables the lead generation. If we use a RAG for the lead generation, it will unblock the additional features. But we need to include an instruction in the prompt from this section to specify the user information like name, email that we want to collect from the user. So over here we already mentioned the name, email and phone number for a lead generation. Once data is collected, we can view the user details in this section and download them as a CSV file. Next is integrations. So from this section, we can connect agent to the Telegram and a Slack.